Welcome to 61235 Benham Road in Bend, Oregon. This home, sitting on a 1.45 acre lot in the middle of town, is 1,822 square feet, has an attached 2-car garage and an attached shop with 14-foot roll-up door, large enough for a motor coach. Can also fit all the different camper vans, sprinter vans, with extra space for other vehicles. There's another shop. It's an older farm building that's in good shape, has lots of space, good roof on it. And then out next to this is an RV pad that the previous owner stayed at while he rented the house. It has full hookups, water, sewer, power, everything you need. And then it's fenced so you can kind of have a private space if you want to rent out that space separately from the house. Pretty easy thing to do. Home needs a little bit of work here and there, but it's clean, ready to go. Great location, large lot. Privacy is unmatched. And I'll show you around every part. On the main floor, which is upstairs, looking down towards the entrance and front door. Beautiful view and privacy. No mountain views here, but of the forest and surrounding neighborhood. This flooring is in good shape. Trees really afford excellent privacy from every window. The kitchen easily lends to an open great room layout. None of this is structural from what we understand. Looking at the truss configuration, if somebody wanted to open this up and take that whole set of walls out, have an island open into the great room, it'd be pretty easy. We looked at having a bid done. A bid was done for that, and all the project lined out. Just was not something that the seller wanted to do in anticipation of buyer needs. If the buyer wants to do that, he wanted to leave it up to them to design it the way they want and not try to read the minds of those looking to buy. So it would be an easy change and a nice upgrade to this great room area. The primary, spacious, big window, king bed fits in here with comfort. You can see the cadet heaters throughout. That is the heat source. Primary bath, all in good shape, but very original. Primary closet, good space, some nice organizers. The upstairs guest bedroom, great size, good natural lighting through those windows. Closet space is really quite good in this room too, with 2 bypass door closets. Guest bath. Upstairs, it's 3 full baths in the home. Coat closet there, linens closet. Clean, ready to go, and perfectly set for your details and custom touches to make it your own. Now downstairs, that's the front door. Under stairs storage right here. The utility room directly adjacent to the garage. The bonus room down here. Here's the electrical panel for the house. French doors out onto the deck. That pellet stove there is not functional. Downstairs guest bedroom. And downstairs guest bathroom. This does have 3 full baths. It's in good shape, a little dated. Then back around. Just a great downstairs. Now out in the attached shop, fully insulated. That door goes to the backyard. Great lighting. Pegboard there to organize your tools. Wood stove to keep the space warm. That is a 14-foot door, so even the tallest RVs and motor coaches can come in without issue. And you still have an attached double garage. Good size space. It's a 16-foot door in width, 7 foot tall. Shop and garage space for this property in town on a little acreage, completely unmatched. Inside the smaller shop, it is older, but in great shape. Good concrete slab, stem wall around the outside, garage door opener. Seven-foot tall by 8-foot wide garage door there. And then the work area. Nice space out here for lawnmower, other things like that that you don't want to have attached to the house. Very functional. Moving around into the side yard, the deck needs some work. This water feature's not working, but it's really cool. The liner in there still may be good, but you probably need to do work with the pump. It's a neat spot for it in that rock outcropping. It lends well to that usage. That door leads right into the downstairs bonus space. These stairs lead up to the kitchen great room area. That door leads into the attached shop. Lots of room back here for other buildings. Just a huge, beautiful yard if you want. Property is fully fenced and gated. Additional gravel parking area. Go around and check out this shed too. There's the gate straight ahead into the neighborhood. Into the lot. This is a flag lot, so the flag pole connecting to the flag itself. The lot back here is the flag, and think of the driveway as the flag pole reaching out to Benham. And then this is just a good garden shed. Additional space to store lawn things. Did want to point out there's frost-free hose bib over there at the corner of that shop. And that is the driveway and gate right there. Road leads all the way out to Benham. The driveway does. Lots of open space. Just a clean slate, ready to go.